The Denturist Technology program is a 3-year program, 2 years at NAIT. The 3rd year is almost exclusively out in practicum, in industry. Graduates of the program are eligible to challenge provincial licensing exams, and after that, they are able to open up their own practice, or they may choose to associate with an existing practice. Our first-year students do a lot of theoretical learning as well as a lot of hands-on lab work, make the devices that they need to use in the clinic. Second year is hugely based on working in our on-site clinic, where they work on external patients who come in and provide denture services for them. Our third-year students are out in industry. We place them into denture clinics where they work with patients. I love the hands-on, small classes, the one-on-one from the instructors, and that is still there today. And to me, it's one of the best things about going to NAIT. It is so flexible, it's so open, and NAIT is such a great place to be for a student. I just think there's just so many opportunities. My favorite things about the program and the profession in general are the mixture of hands-on lab activities where you're mostly working by yourself, and clinical activities where you're working with the public and able to really make a difference in people's lives through your skills.